department of Treasury. We're using a method of investigation. It depends on how good you are in determining what are the factors in your operation. So this is standard. It's very simple. In fact, it's done before your eyes, and yet you don't distinct, you don't recognize it as that. For instance, I said, give me an example of standard deviation of Six Sigma principle like that we see every day in radio and TV. Anything? What? Nothing? How about American Idol? How many times do they test? They don't test that. First, by state. California, Florida, New York. And then they come out with a group and say, here we have 50, 50, 50. And then they put them all together. Then 50. And then they say these are the. So that's one. Checking it by state is one step. And then they put them all together, that's the two step. And then from out of 50, they come out with how many? 35? That's 3 steps. Then out of 35, they come out with how many? 12? That's 4 steps. Then out of 10, they come out with how many?
5.
3? And that's 5th step. Then out of 3, they come out with 1 system. That's it.
Process.
It's as ordinary as that. But they do in production with a lot of numbers and a lot of situations. While here, we're just checking the people, how they see, how they present themselves, things like that, right? But it's the same thing. It's weeding out. It's getting the best. But that's all. They try to make it, but that's this step by step you see, we have the Six Sigma. But this is also, of course, technically, but this is what? CD. Something very ordinary. But that's how things are. You select. And that's why we have method. You use that method, you use this method, you use this other method, you just that method. And there are methods, many methods more as you will see later. It's something that you use that is actually in principle, it's already there, it's being used somewhere. It's just a matter of you recognizing them as a method. Right? Any questions so far? So we have tried at least one method. And doesn't that then we can expand from there. Because you have to understand in relation, you have to have the method. Okay. So all these, and then after that you have the industry study. Industry. And then you have cases. So we have about 17, 16 meetings. We have 16 because there's a holiday. Black Nazarene on January. So everybody have their email? Okay. So we distribute these and it's up to you to get copy as a group. Okay. Group 1. Group 1. The first one and the second one, okay?
First one.
First one, second one. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Group 5.
Pakainin na akong cheeseburger.
If you notice, that's really technical. It's in fact even the handouts coming from Harvard is really simple. It's really how you will understand it. That will be emphasized, okay? How you will really understand. As long as you read it. If you don't read it, of course you cannot get into it. Okay, so how would you like? Do you like to draw or you like to other go
Sa
first.
paan na lang.
Raffle, sir, Roger.
Draw or fail. Okay. So we come first, second, and then.
Check yan.
Ah,
Kapal eh.
Relax ka naman talaga. Ano pa rin? Wala akong pasabi.
Total eh. Ikaw ang gusto mo gawin. Ikaw gusto mo gawin. Scanning. Alam mo, ayaw mo. Maliwag.
Nakipag yan, Omar. Baka maubos na parang memory na lang.
Hindi, saglit lang.
What if ano na lang?
PDF.
Consolidate na lang tapos may ano tayo ng pala. Subit na lang.
Pasipagan ng group yan. Pasipagan ng group.
Ilan ba tayo sa class?
Diba?
Hindi, ano na lang.
Saan
Yung
sila?
iba for group.
Hindi, paano ba yan?
Pag-produce ng ano.
Hindi, gagawa tayo ng ano. Gagawa.
Ang